Hello guys, got a Hyundai in today. This one here, 17 plate. It's coming for a tyre pressure problem. Let's see what's happening. It's saying there's a malfunction of the lights that's coming on. Let's start up. Which light is it? There it is. You can see it's flashing at you. That's the one we're gonna sort out today. Alright, let me get the diagnostic equipment and let's see what fault codes come up. Alright, I've got the machine now. Got the Autel 909. It's a programmer, so I do recommend this machine for any program or anything. Let's go on Hyundai now. Let's check the fault codes. Yeah, any service lights and stuff, I normally use my snap-on machine, but anything like programming or in-depth stuff like this, I use this. It's very quick and in-depth. So there's communication. Let's go on auto scan, check any fault codes everywhere. Fault scan, quite clever, isn't it? There you go, you see, picks up one, picks up another one on Tpms. You can see that. That's what we need. We'll let it do all of it. Always give a customer a printout as well to show all fault codes. It's nearly done. You can still see it's on there. So it's got another fault code in the BCM, body control module. Right, let's go and report. Skip that one. Alright, let's see what comes up. Tpms, what's 6 or BCMs, what's 6? So battery voltage low. Can that cause it? No. There we go. So we've got an auto learning failure. So we've got to check out what's wrong on that one. And let's clear the fault codes and we can go from there. Right, on the Tpms module now. Came up auto learning before. So let's clear the fault codes. Engine off, yes. Right, fault code's gone. Light, yes, the light's gone. But that doesn't mean it's solved. Let's go in live data. Right, let's see what's coming up. Let's go normal timed. Not timed, there we go, look at that. So if you look here, right front pressure, battery level, normal, timed right front, right rear timed, left rear not timed. There's a problem there. Okay, this is why it's always good to look at data. This is the one. Alright, so cool. Let's open the rear one and see the problem. Managed to find the problem now. It's got a normal sensor in it. That's probably what's causing the TPMS light coming on. So obviously it's got TPMS system, so it should have a TPMS sensor. So this is obviously a normal valve that's causing a problem. Alright, let's order a sensor up and let's get it fitted. We've seen the TPMS sensor now for the Hyundai. Let's go and fit it up and let's see how it goes. Fitting the sensor now. Got to be torqued to the right mount. Now I'm going to program the sensors into the car. This is my Autel TPMS sensor. Turn it on. There we go. Hyundai IONIQ. Yes. So front left first. Let's go front left. Yep, programmed. Next one's front right. Yep, programmed. These should all be good, except for the passenger rear one. That one, because that's a new sensor. Yep, now it's to rear left. Last but not least, let's see. Yeah, all programmed. Lovely jubbly. Now all the sensors are programmed. Let's go for a drive. Back from test drive now. Just going to check the fault codes. That's it, no fault codes there, and that's it, no light there. Nothing there, I'm happy with that. Happy days, I can call the customer.